7 of those 9 deaths in Washington state came from inside the same nursing home. That may cause some concern for those who have loved ones in these types of facilities. 41 Action News investigator Jessica McMaster talked to some experts at a local nursing facility. Jessica, you've got some recommendations from the CDC for us tonight.
Yeah, Dia, we know we're talking about a vulnerable population here. Symptoms of coronavirus tend to be more severe in the elderly, and right now, local long-term care facilities are in prevention mode.
While there's yet to be a confirmed case of coronavirus in Kansas or Missouri, John Knox Village is paying close attention to the outbreak that hit a Washington state nursing home, killing 7 residents there.
It's very sad, and you can only imagine what they're going through and how they're dealing with it.
Anthony Colombato is the administrator at John Knox Village Care Center that has more than 2,500 staff and residents. Colombato's main focus, keeping them safe. It starts when you walk through the door.
But it's going back to the basics of ensuring that everyone is hand washing, that we have hand sanitizer, available for everyone, and encouraging associates to stay home if they're ill.
Colombato says the protocol for preventing coronavirus is the same as influenza.
We do a pre-admission screening on every single resident or patient that comes into the community.
Director of Public Safety Brian Apoca is also there to provide guidance when it comes to the prevention and transmission of illness.
We follow the CDC on a daily basis.
Right now, he says they're in prevention mode and monitoring residents for flu-like symptoms.
If we have residents that are at that stage, we want to work with them and treat their signs and symptoms, and to be able to kind of isolate them from being out in the open areas.
Colombato tells us some family members have expressed concerns over the coronavirus, but wants them to know they're on top of it.
We're doing exactly what we're instructed to do. We have a lot of rules and regulations that we have to adhere to with our residents.
Many of the residents who died at that Washington state nursing home from coronavirus had underlying medical conditions as well. If you have a loved one in a long-term care facility, the best way to protect them is to wash your hands when visiting, or of course, if you're not feeling well, stay home. I'm investigator Jessica McMaster, 41 Action News.